everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch. Today is Friday, that means it's another Coaster Friday. Today we're going to do a fun Halloween coaster. For this coaster I have 1 ounce of resin mix. I'm going to add a little bit of my pigment. And this is just to create the background for the coaster. I just want it to be orange, very traditional Halloween. You want to have it well mixed and then pour it right into the mold. And then you want to take your lighter, pop the bubbles, and then you want to let this cure a minimum of 12 hours before you handle it. Now that it's all cut, all I have to do is weed it. And I found the image in Cricut Design Space. I just looked up Halloween and it came up with the circle image with these ghosts. There were a lot of cool images. This happened to just be the one that spoke to me because it would work well with my coasters. Our resin has cured, so I'm going to pop it out of the mold. And I went with just the orange, so the black is going to contrast on it nicely. I went 3.5 inches on this image so that I would know that I would for sure have enough room. So now I have my transfer tape cut, and I'm going to peel the backing off of that. Put it down. Just like this. And now I'm going to peel it off. So I can apply it. I'm going to try to center it. Here it is. You can leave it like this and the vinyl will stay on, even if you have like a cold drink or something on there. But I thought we could just put some resin on it, protect it, and do it that way. But I do like the look of it already. Here is our Halloween ghost coaster, and I have mixed my resin. Figure you'll need about 1 ounce. And you can help it spread to the edge. And you'll take your lighter, pop the bubbles, and let it sit a minimum of 12 hours before you come back and handle it. So here's the Ghost Silhouette Coaster. Simple in its color scheme with the black and orange, definitely gives you a Halloween vibe. Be sure to let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. I hope you guys like the Halloween coaster. Fun to do. If you have a cutting machine, this is fun to do, but remember, you don't always have to have a cutting machine. You could stencil something on there. You could use stickers. You could actually cut vinyl by hand if you're very artistic that way. You can do that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you give it a try. I hope you have a very happy Halloween. I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.